drop that ass deep down low.
Professional Beauty is a great platform where you're connecting, all top salons with, with all the distributors and the buyers over here. So that's amazing. We've met quite a few of our top customers across the geography of the country. So it's been a great show for us.
This place has given us like a lot of experience and exposure to it, to the newcomers and the old people also. Like they share their views and point of view. So it's more like a learning experience for everyone.
There is so much to share. The amount of knowledge we share, the amount of knowledge we learn, it's tremendous.
Professional beauty has been very instrumental in our brand growth. It's one of the key factors where we could reach out to a lot of people whom we didn't knew, and when they were visiting the show, it helped our brand also grow. So overall, the industry is growing, the brands are coming in, and we have more and more customers walking in. So it's really nice.
Hands up, hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Right now.
I think professional beauty is can be described as the best professional platform to meet salon owners, hairdressers, as well as the skin, face, and the mani-pedi category clients, nail salons, etc. So it's the best platform to meet the professional buyers, for the Indian market.
As an SMC speaker, I loved the subject we were talking about today. We were discussing the subject of talent. And if the talent and the quality of the talent in our salons is not met, it will mean the quality of work that leaves our salons. It will mean the quality of work, it will mean the quality of hairdressing in and around our country. So talent is a super subject, and it's a subject that really inspires me. So I was really happy to be part of that discussion.
For people who have not come and visited Professional Beauty, this is a one-stop shop for you guys to come and experience it for sure.
Girl, drop that ass deep down low, 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 low, deep down 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 low,
deep down low, deep down low, deep down low.